walking away from the rainforest into a beautiful, beautiful, sunshiny open field. Oh, I've been just enjoying being with you, Father, Jesus, and Holy Spirit. You fill me up. You so fill me up. Every part of my being. Thank you. Thank you. We stop. Into each of their arms I go for a hug. We know you've been freed up by those words you read from Kevin Zadai. Beloved, Jesus says, oh, I have Jesus. Oh, Salty, I'll help you not to forget them. We know you don't want to forget them. Holy Spirit says, I know you want me to say it, little one. It is not about convincing people. It's about speaking. It's about me speaking through you and affecting others. Sure makes these open doors that you've brought in my life a lot easier to walk in, Father, Jesus, Holy Spirit. Oh, that's right, beloved. Jesus says, it's not by your might, it's not by your power, but by my Spirit.